So, when you come and audition, we know that it's often a stressful experience, but please remember that everybody that you play to has been through this experience, so we are on your side. When you come and audition for us, we're looking for the best in you. We're not waiting for you to make a mistake. We're not counting the wrong notes. It doesn't matter if you go wrong, because what we're looking for is your potential. When I audition someone, what I'm thinking is, okay, what is there here that's really good to work with? How can we make this student the best that they can possibly be? That's the challenge and the pleasure for us, and it's actually entirely positive for you because we're trying to help. I would also say that when you come, please remember that there isn't a perfect college, there isn't a perfect experience, that everyone is going to be looking for something slightly different. So you have to come knowing the questions you want to ask. What is it that's important to you? What experiences do you want to have? Find the institution that seems to value the things that you value, because if you get a good fit like that, then you'll have a better learning experience. Above all, just remember that your audition day is your audition day. We are here to make it as good as it can possibly be for you, and we can see through all of the mistakes, and when you go away, don't think, oh, that was an awful performance, because it won't have been. We will have seen a lot of good things in you, and you can feel positive about that.